Hi ladies, happy Thursday. We are continuing with our spring open house. So with that, what that means to you ladies is that everything in the store, with a few exceptions, are 20% off. You will have Friday and Saturday left to take advantage of that. So the things that are excluded are going to be Brighton, our Julie Boss, our Hammett bags, our formal wear, and some things that are already reduced. Everything else in the store will be 20% off. That includes all brands, shoes, jewelry, all accessories. So today I just pulled a few little kind of outfits and some separates. So it is not just this rack that's 20% off, it will be the store wide with the exceptions. So the prices that I'm going to quote you are going to be the original, so you just take the 20% off of that. First thing is going to be this great little nice comfy t-shirt in a khaki and cream colored stripe versus animal print. It has the twin print, which just gives it so much character and so much personality. It's going to be hard to beat this for comfort and for looks. The fabric content on this is going to be 62 rayon, 33 poly, and 5 spandex. It is by multiples. She is priced at $82, and in that I have a small, I have a large, I have 2 extra larges in this. We are going to pair it with our basic Slimsation slack, and this is going to be in a little bit dressier fabric. They are a pull-on. They have a panel, a mesh panel here that is great for controlling that little excess that we may have without actually feeling like a girdle or making you feel like you have on something that does control. It just makes you very conscious of it. It helps me with my posture, I know. So these are priced at $86, and we carry these from a 2 to a 16. The next one is also going to be a multiples and is actually the end cap piece. So you have it on a cream or an eggshell background. A lot of watercolory, soft desert prints is what I think of as, or desert colors. So you're really light icy colors with your pop of clay. It has your horn buttons, and they're all the way down the front. You do have a nice little pleat in the back. It's a 3/4 sleeve with a rolled cuff. The fabric content on this is 85 rayon, 15 nylon. This one is priced at $87. I tell you, multiples has kept their prices, I know the last 6 years, it seems like, have been very much the same. I have 2 larges in that and 2 extra larges. And we are gonna put it with this multiples. This is in kind of a jean fabric. Again, it is a pull-on. This is kind of in a winter white color. It is an ankle jean. Does have a little bit of a frayed bottom and that little stud with the slit. And this is probably for a fashion pant, their #1 pant in the company. And we have had this in probably 6 colors. So, and going forward for fall, it is still one of their good sellers. So the price of the pants are at $93. And in those, I have a 12 and a 14 and a 10. The next is another multiples top, and this is just in this cute chalet. This is Tencel 100%. Love the little paisley print with the denim there, and the frayed just gives it a little bit more detail. It does have a rolled, so you can do it as a longer sleeve, or you can roll it up to make a more relaxed. It does have nice pleats in the back, so this probably tends to give you a little bit more room. It runs probably a little bit bigger than a regular shirt would. Priced at $93. I have that in an extra small. I have a small. I have a large, an extra large, and priced at $96. I have it in a 1X. And we are going to pair it with this cute frayed light wash denim. This is also by your multiples or Slimsations. This is a true button zip in this light wash with that neat khaki stitching there, and your open frayed hem there with the it's like a flare leg. I think, what do they call it? Let's see. Flare crop jean. So these are priced at $101. And in these, I have an 8, I have 2 10s, and I have a 14. Now we're going to show you a few things from Parsley and Sage. This is in a t-shirt. The inside has a texture to it. So it's almost like a French terry more than a t-shirt, I guess, but it's in a knit.
At the neck?
Oh, parsley and sage is at the neck. Thank you very much. It is 55 cotton, 40 rayon, and 5 spandex. Priced at $65. This is an elbow sleeve, and it does have a little inverted pleat in the back. It's just a cute little tee, and it does have a little side slit. And that at $65. I have a small, I have 2 mediums, I have a large and an extra large, and we paired it with another Slim Stations, which is the same pant that I had in the cream, with that little frayed bottom and little slit there with the stud. Still a pull-on in this teal color, priced at $93. I have that in an 8. I have a 212s, and I have a 14. It also works with this top, which is the exact same print. You can do this open like a jacket and use it as a twin set if you would like, or you can just have this as a top and button it all the way down. I think somebody has tried it on, and I didn't realize it was unbuttoned. This has a linen texture to it. The fabric is actually 100% cotton. So it's a 3/4 sleeve, has your inverted pleat in the back. Priced at $78. I have that in a small. I have 2 mediums. I have 1 large and 2 extra larges. The next thing that I'm going to show you, what I'm featuring, are going to be our washable suede jackets. And I thought these would be so great with Easter coming up in these pretty colors. It is 100% polyester. So this is a standalone jacket / top. You can wear it buttoned as a top. Has a cute little bell sleeve. It does have wire in the collar, so it stands away from the face and portraits it nicely with the covered buttons. This one is priced at $128. And I have that in 2 mediums. I have 1 piece, and I would wear a medium. I have 1 piece left in this, the same fabric, but this is a print. And this is the same style as what I showed you. This one is priced at $128, and this is a 1X. Beautiful. Oh, that would be so pretty with a skirt or a pant in just about any color. Even if you just did a navy or a black or gray, it would be pretty. Okay, the next feature is going to be the outfit that I have on. This is a Lior blouse. It is kind of in a tie-dyed. It has a little bit of a puff sleeve there. Love the collar. They do a dress with a collar like this, and it is a wonderful seller. It does have a little bit of fittedness to the back, so it doesn't just stand out in a cotton shirt. The fabric content on this is going to be 100% cotton. So she is priced at $124, and in that I have a small, I have a medium, a large, and an extra large, and I have on a medium. The pant that I put with it is the same pant I showed you earlier in the khaki. This is the Slim Stations Basic in their dressier pant. That is an ankle pant. We do an ankle and full length in the white. The ankle is priced at $86, and I have from an 8 to a 16 in that. That's something that we keep in all the time. My jacket that I have on is a relaxed blazer style, and it does have ruching at the sleeves. A great throw on with anything. It is priced at $138, and in that I have a small and 2 mediums, and I have on the medium. And while we're doing my outfit, I'll do my shoes because they are also included in the 20% off sale. They are the Pearl Shoes by Corky's. When you get to this is all a memory foam, so they're very, very comfortable. A shoe that you can put on in the morning and wear all throughout the day. And what are these pearls not going to go with? Anything from blue jeans to a skirt to a dressy social event if you need something. They are priced at $70, and I have from a 6 to a 10 in those. And the last piece is going to be another washable suede. This is in a little bit longer, like a swing jacket. It's just a very relaxed style in this beautiful raspberry color. All polyester. This throws in the washing machine and does up beautifully. So priced at $138 in this raspberry color. I have a small, I have a medium, a large, and an extra large. So ladies, that is what I'm going to feature today. But as I said, this is not just included this rack. Store-wide 20% off You still have tomorrow and Saturday. So if you see something you like and you're out of town, we're happy to ship to you anywhere in US of A for an $8 flat rate fee. The phone number at the store is 336-766-7440, or you can make a direct message on email, Instagram, or Facebook. As always, ladies, thanks for watching.